Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're gonna do, well, another experiment. Use acrylic mixed with ink. But what we're gonna do a flip cup. So we're gonna put two colors. We're gonna take some white and some red, some white and some yellow, should I say, and we're gonna mix a little bit of red ink in it. Then we're gonna do a flip cup with it. Afterward, before we get up our flip cup, we're going to put some other white acrylic and some yellow acrylic. We're going to put some ink again, and in some case we're going to do some spot with ink, and on the spot of ink we're going to put a little bit of rubbing alcohol. So I think it's going to be nice, it's going to be interesting, because we know that there's a lot of effect that can be achieved with alcohol. So we're going to see what happens, and let's come back afterwards to talk about it. Let's go and try. Well guys, I hope as you can see, it's very interesting as a finish. The only problem is that, like always, I did put a little bit too much of acrylic, which have the effect of our fine line, black line, have the tendency to fade away. So again, it's going to be very interesting though. I'm very anxious to see it once it's dry, but of course you see it dry, but I don't. I just finished it, and I have to say that as time goes by, each and every minute it's changing. It's working. It's like it's almost alive. So I think it's very nice. I think that if I would have done it, not that as an experiment, I think I would have worked on it a little bit more. But I just wanted. I didn't want to make something great out of it. I just wanted to make the experiment that we wanted, and for that matter, I think we achieved something that can look great. You know, the thing I would have done almost all white as a background, and I would have put a lot of ink a bit everywhere. Then I would have put some spot of rubbing alcohol. I think it would have been great. It would have give a finish of a look like it would have been in space. So I think it's something to try. I think it's very interesting to use rubbing alcohol. Well, like always, it's a question of taste, but you be the judge. So guys, thanks for being here. I hope you're gonna come back, and please, like always, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.